scattered everywhere like Germany. So how you say it? Donkey Shane. Dogs on the outside. Drink rap with your mouth wide. Who got the more cry? Israel got the more cry. Eat him a skid mark. More of a wash pot. Him and some hawk spit. Him and some hot snot.
Little baby miracle. How it look? Yes, sir. You don't even look bad, like. But I still need a new one anyway. I can't go. Alright. How it look, how it look, how it look, how it look. It look all drained out. Yes, it do. Yes, it do. It looking this drains out. Let me clean around it. Ain't nothing I can really do to clean inside of it. So, I gotta go see this new mechanic of mine so that he can change it. By the time y'all post this, by the time I post this should be already done. The new head gasket should already be put on. Yeah, by the time I post this junk. Gotta clean around it. Make sure I get a good little cleaning as I talk to myself. Eyes are weird. That's what I am. Alright. So much work. Whoo! I did it. I took it out. I did it. I took it out. It took forever, but I took it out. Out. Okay. Yes, sir. And mama ain't think I could do it too. Yes, sir. Okay. Now it's time to put the new ones in. Yes, sirree. Yes, sir. Let me clean out the oil in here. I don't want to mess with my new ones. Even though I gotta get a new head gasket. You know what? It'd be nice if Advanced Auto could sponsor your girl. Give her all the hookups that she need for her car. You know? That'd be nice. Advanced Auto, O'Reilly, Walmart, you know, all the good places. All of the good. I hope this don't, yeah, it's not gonna, I'm gonna use the same method, cause I don't wanna break nothing. I can't even lie. I do not wanna break nothing. So I'm gonna put it on. Nice and loose though this time. Nice and loose. There we go. All in there. There we go. Okay. Whew. Yeah, it's in there. Cool. Alright, do the rest of them. Now, I have the pre-gapped spark plugs. NGK laser. I think I showed y'all these already. It was not focusing. Focus. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Pre-gap. Thanks to my friend Alex. He told me to get the pre-gap ones. I was like, okay. I'm just eyes to get them. Eyes to get them. Do the same process. Because I did not try to do this. To the left. To the left. Turn the little tool thing. Go in there. And yes, it turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Is it on there? Did I put it on there? Turn it, turn it. I feel like it's not going on, y'all. I have to struggle. That's what I have to do. I have to struggle. There we go. Come on. Give me something now. It's not going. Am I doing it wrong? What? What? Bro, what is going on? It's not. I have to do something wrong. I have to do it. I feel like I have to mess up. They in there. I just feel like I ain't doing something right. That's the problem. I'm not doing something right. It's the same process. It's just you just screwing it back home. I'm getting a little aggravated. Hold on, y'all. Okay. I feel a little better. I had to breathe a little bit. I had to breathe. That's all it was. Just, I don't know. But it's not even giving me that type of grip, like. But it's on there. Like I got it on. Right? Gosh. I don't know. How's you supposed to do this? Yeah, it's moving around. I don't understand, y'all. And I'm trying to be all calm and cordial. Oh, it's going. It's just, it ain't making that sound I want. Yeah, I want the sound. Yes, sir. Said, oops. I don't know, y'all. But it's on there. It's a struggle. But they on, they just not making a noise. Aside from that one. But yeah. They on, they just ain't making a noise. I don't know why. I feel like y'all not gonna hear now one word I have to say. Cause I'ma fast forward every last beat of these. But I'm saying it anyway. This is annoying. This is annoying. And I'm probably gonna edit this part out. Yeah. Alright, so how am I supposed to? I'm trying to figure this out. Oh. There we go. It's just a struggle. Oh my gosh. I feel like... There we go. There we go. Man, I am telling y'all, I am happier than a mug. Cause, boy, this ain't no joke. Just make them nice and tight. I don't want nothing loose. I think. Hope I'm doing it right. I don't want nothing to shred. I can't even cap. I don't want nothing shredding. Alright. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna put everything back on. Like I did in the beginning. Make sure it is all cleaned up. Like it was before. Nice and clean, nice and the cleansers. Ooh. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Now putting the plugs back in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They should click. But like I said, that one's broken. So I need to get a new one anyway. Alright. Cool. As long as it don't pop off, I'm good. Alright, cool. We in this. We are in it to win it. Coolio. I hope this is the same one I had. No, it's not. Okay. It's this one back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 10 millimeter to close it back up. Yes, sir. Hey. It's not, okay. I think I'm supposed to just screw it back in there first. A little tripping. Yeah. Screw them all back in. No blocking the camera. Sorry, y'all. Yep, but by the time I post this, I should have a new gasket. And my intro video should be on here. Because I haven't done my intro yet. I was just trying to do this because it needed to be done. And I was just tired of it. I was just like, yo, it needs to be done ASAP. Like, it's over with. I need some new spark plugs. Like, I should change my elf. No, I'm not gonna do that. Alright. Alright. Okay. You don't want to tighten up better? Man, it's stressful. Alright, it's cool. That one want to tighten, but the other one don't. That's cool. I ain't even stressing it, man. I just hope my phone don't die. Alright. Nice and tight. We go. Alright. And now you, buddy. Okay. Yep, and then put the top back on. Like, not everything. I gotta get some new screws because he trying to jack me up. Yes, sir. There we go. And get that screw I had earlier. Where you go, screw? I had you earlier. Oh, it's not there. Oh, no. I don't know where it went. That's a problem. That's an itty bitty problem. It's not gonna fit. No, it's not. It's cool. I'll tighten it with my hand. It's straight. I'll open the hood back up tomorrow and do that. Tighten it more with the actual thing when I find it. But yes, y'all, this is it. I am done. I am going to turn the power on now and see how my baby run. Yep, peace.
I'ma have lockjaw when it pop up. Wisdom of Solomon 5'1", like that's what I thought. We getting down to the wire, that's a nail biter. I'm a Harlem hellfighter, dipped in hellfire. Touch my mind on it to the time pointed, and even then.